Hello, my dear beautiful Scorpions. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and in the best of your health. This is going to be a quick 10-minute reading. I'm just saying 10-minute reading, but trust me, whenever I see the cards, I keep getting those downloads and it carries on, okay? So please be patient with me. This is going to be an intuitively guided reading. So please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. And we will go from there, okay? And if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe, okay? That will truly support me. Thank you so very much, my dear beautiful Scorpios. Let's right away jump into these cards. And I'm doing this reading. This is a bonus reading for Scorpios. I will be doing for the 12 zodiac signs. And I'm doing this and divinely guided to do this reading because recently we had a full moon. And we have this Saturn going direct on 29th of September. So you can expect some good karmas returning for the hard work that you have paid for so long. What I feel intuitively is that you are coming in that true form of your, Shiv Shakti kind of energy, balancing your heart, body, mind, and soul. You really, really have come to a full circle in your life by paying all your karmic debts. And now, universe is getting prepared to bring that much awaited good karmas returning into your life. So let's bring out our first card as from my Dharma deck, okay, from my Dharma deck, the Sacred Indian Tarot card, and let's see what is the focus message we get. The Magician. Wow, perfect. What a beautiful sync with the intuition that I got, and that you are coming into this power, a power of a magician. This magician is not a magician who plays around, right? Who is a manipulator, right? Trickster. No, 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 no. This magician is something anybody can think of. This magician knows her power. She knows how to use that Ace of Wands. This magician knows how to use that Ace of Pentacles. This magician knows how to use that Ace of Cups. And this magician knows how to use that ultimate divine swords, right? The four elements, the four energies, that is something that is associated with this magician energy. And you, Scorpio, my dear beautiful Scorpions, you are completely vibing in this energy of a magician with this new full moon. Trust me on that. Believe in yourself, believe in the divine. And I know when Scorpios are extreme, if they believe, nothing can forsake their belief system, right? And if they don't believe, nothing can really, really teach them until they choose a way out to learn everything in a hard way, right? And I can say this because I am a Scorpio sun, okay? And I know the karmic debts that I have paid in order to today, create this YouTube channel of mine and reading tarot cards, because this is something that not even in my wildest dream I thought that I will be reading tarot cards. Because when I, as a Scorpio, was vibing in that negative energy of mine, I never believed in anything. I just questioned everything, So when I started to see that, okay, this is how tarot card works, and I started to get guidance, and slowly when I started to tap into this energy, I came into this power of being a magician. And today I am here in front of you all after 3 years of going through that rigorous and dark night of the soul journey, coming into this divine power of mine to be that magician. I can tell you, God has been truly kind. So Scorpios, my dear beautiful Scorpios, please, 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 my dear beautiful Scorpios, believe in yourself. Universe has your back, and you are absolutely vibing in that magician energy. So keep doing that, okay? And truly, I am not feeling that I am connecting with any Scorpios who are vibing in that negative energy anymore. So I am absolutely connecting to the divine energies, okay? People, those who have gone through the dark night of the soul journey to become a magician, a butterfly, from a cocoon to a butterfly, right? You as a Scorpio has gone through all the transformation, and now what you can expect is that universe is going to enhance this energy within you that you have already embodied within yourself, okay? And by 29th, it is going to be completely going to culminate in your life, is going to illuminate your life in a different way altogether, and you will be able to see wonders happening in your life. So you can expect some beautiful manifestations happening in your life after 29th of this month, okay? Because after 29th September, Saturn is going direct, so you can expect some divine wisdom, divine knowledge, healing energies, those compassion, those ignite into your existence, into your being, into your core of who you are. So you can expect some beautiful divine light coming into your way, okay? And you will be really happy about it, okay? That will make you truly happy, and will help you keep vibing in that energy of your divine being, okay? You are going to get paid for all the good karmas that you have put in yourself, the work that you have put in yourself. Now it's time that you get that reward back, okay? Something is coming back from the past, or someone is coming back from the past. So be it job or, finances, or whatever you have lost in the past, which has become, more of a kind of, lost hope or something like that. That is going to come back into your life, because now you are seeing the horizon as it is, because you now see that you have those eagle eyes, my dear beautiful Scorpions. You have that eagle eyes now to see world. You have made those choices, and those are divine choices, the right choices, okay? And now you are coming in this power of knowing who you truly are as a magician. After making those right choices, somebody is coming back and is going to speak the truth with that Ace of Swords, period. I truly can tell you, you truly don't need any further confirmation from me. You don't need to hear much, because you know yourself better, the kind of work that you have put in. So in short, and in very straight away language, if I tell you, then I will tell you that something that you felt or you thought or that you have lost is coming back because of the right choices, the perseverance, the determination, the conviction, the devotion that you have shown in the past in order to improvise your own life by speaking or standing out strong to this truth of your existence, of your core, of your being, beaming in that magician kind of energy was no joke for you. You really have faced a bitter world outside, I can tell you that. Okay, through my own experience, right? We Scorpions are very intense, I know that. Okay, we know our dark side, we know our light side as well, right? So keep vibing in this energy, my dear beautiful Scorpions. I can see very divine, innocent energies returning back to your life, probably which has made you more like a kind of cruel, right? When God shows you that cruel side of yours, when you work on those dark sides of yours, you stand by your truth, you made the right choices, made the right decisions, you tend to lose that innocence within you, right? So now universe is saying that, my dear beautiful Scorpions, finally you are, something is coming back into your life that you thought was lost, okay? And I get Archangel Michael saying, honor and trust your feelings. Pay attention to your gut feelings. Don't discount on your intuitions and the higher knowledge, wisdom, the inner knowing that you have got, okay, Scorpios? Believe in those psychic nudges that you are getting as a Scorpio, all right? Pay attention to those random thoughts and don't discount on your gut feelings, inner knowings, and the higher wisdom and the knowledge that you have. And Archangel Michael is saying honor and trust your feelings about that. Thank you, Archangel Michael, for supporting, guiding, and protecting me as I listen to and act upon my feelings. Help me understand and express my emotions with love. That's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. Please, whatever has made you be bitter in the past, my dear beautiful Scorpions, it's time that now you bring that innocence back into your life. All right, keep vibing in that Ace of Swords kind of energy. Honor and trust your feelings. You are going to be that magician in your full power, and after 29th of September there will be no looking back for you, and universe is going to bring that abundance into your life, child. You care deeply about children and they readily respond to your love. All children, including your own inner child, require love, affection, and attention. We can clear and open your heart and schedule so that you can give more time and energy to the children who need you. Perfect alignment, with these cards. We see these cards as well, right? Children plays a very important role in your life, Scorpio. If that resonates with you in any way, take care of that inner child within you. Trust you and honor your feelings, okay? You truly don't need any further information from me. What to expect is that you are already there. What you are hearing me right now is coming into fruition, okay? You are already manifesting that inner child within you. You are already tapped into this energy of your true authentic self, and you already know that you are a magician. Thank you so very much for tuning in, my dear beautiful Scorpions. I do really appreciate for coming into my channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe. All right, if you have not done that yet. And I send across my beautiful, divine blessings to you all. Much love and light. In the name of the Almighty, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Keep chanting that mantra and keep vibing this energy, okay? Do believe in yourself.